This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Something is inside the bushes.
Ew.
What is it?
Is a big bad wolf. I will catch you. Ho ho ho.
Click, 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 go, go, go. Run away, the wolf is coming your way. He takes a deep breath and blows, blows, blows. Everything that's in his way. Run away, the wolf is coming your way. He takes a deep breath and blows, blows.
Guess emotion on the egg. Joy. Sad. Angry. Let's learn how to make these fun toys together.
It's a puzzle game, let's do this. Fill this puzzle piece by piece. So many shapes, eyes, mouth, and nose. Where do they go? Where do they go? It's a kitty. Little kitty, kitty, kitty. Little kitty, kitty, kitty. Little kitty, you're so cute. Kitty, I love you. Meow, 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 meow. Yours. Wow, wow, wow. A whole new world you hide inside. Adventure awaits on the other side. Let's go now and enjoy the ride. Dragons fly up so high, high, high. Eggs falling from the sky, sky, sky. It's super fun, just like a dream. We need a sparkling kick, kick, kick. Great! Oh no, I know this feeling.
no.
I need a pee-pee. I need a pee-pee. Where is my lovely potty? I need my potty. I need my potty.
Little baby, that's not right. This is a shop for us to buy. Little baby, follow me.
Excellent!
Find the toilet, don't worry.
Good job!
Oh, wow, look! Isn't that beautiful? What's that called?
It's called Bruce.
Bruce. Oh, that's a funny name for a butterfly. Oh, look, it's gone.
Oh, yes. Tricky little flappers, butterflies.
Maybe you can help me find a three-toed sloth.
Of course I can help you find a... What'd you call it again?
A three-toed sloth.
They don't call me that. Sloth. Sleuth. For nothing.
Fantastic. Well, we need to get a picture of a three-toed sloth before sunset.
Leave it to me. I'm sure there's one out there. Somewhere. Keep up. And if you can't, don't panic. My friends in the Amazonian tribes taught me everything you need to know about leaving trails.
Brilliant! What are the chances of meeting someone who knows so much about the jungle? Well, if anyone can find a three-toed sloth, it's Wolfie. All right, where did he go? Wolfie? Wolfie!
Let's play.
Oh no, which way did Wolfie go? Oh dear, if I don't find Wolfie, I won't be able to get a picture of a three-toed sloth. There must be some way of finding out which way he went. Hold on. I remember to you. That's it. Some people who live in the rainforest leave a trail of broken sticks on the forest floor so others know which way they have gone. Ah, look! These sticks have been left in the shape of an arrow, pointing that way. Come on, let's go. Here's another one, and another one. He must have gone this way. Wolfie, are you okay?
Yeah, of course I am. I'm Wolfie, extreme survivalist.
So have you found it?
What?
The three-toed sloth.
Three-toed what?
You don't really know what it looks like, do you?
Not exactly what it looks like, no.
They don't really call you the sloth sleuth.
No.
Great. What are we going to do now?
But don't worry, all is not lost. If you keep going that way, I think you'll find someone who can help you.
Are you coming along?
Oh, look, I'd love to, but I've got really important things to do, like catch a wild pig.
Catch a wild pig? Why are you catching a wild pig?
Oh, there aren't any tame ones around. See ya.
See you, Wolfie. Well, I guess we better find someone else who can help us. Let's try this way. Hello? Anyone there? What was that?
And here is a rather marvellous example of a species we call human being. Ah, she's heard something. See those ears, straining to listen. And there's the classic turning motion, indicating confusion, a state many humans often experience.
Hello?
Ah, the classic traditional human greeting, indicating a desire to say hello.
Oh, excuse me, was that you talking? I thought I was hearing voices. I'm Rebecca, jungle explorer.
Roger Twitcher, world-famous wildlife documentary filmmaker, making a film about the Amazonian rainforest. Haven't had much luck spotting any Amazonian creatures yet, though, so you will have to do.
Oh. Uh-oh, it's raining. They don't call it the rainforest for nothing.
Oh, no, I must get these cameras out of the rain, otherwise they will be ruined.
Oh, dear. If the cameras get wet, then we won't be able to get a picture of a three-toed sloth. And Dr. Hans won't be happy. Where can we put the cameras to keep them dry? Oh, hold on. I remember, do you? That's it. The jungle provides all the things we need to make a shelter, like sticks, vines, and palm leaves. Now we've got everything we need to make a shelter.
Let's play.
This is a great shelter, eh?
Marvellous. What a day of bad luck I've had. I've not spotted any interesting animals, apart from you, of course.
Oh, thank you.
But I must say, something got me thinking there was a creature out there, because I kept on hearing strange noises.
What kind of noise? What's wrong? Are you okay?
That was the noise.
That's the noise a three-toed sloth makes. There must be one around here somewhere. Wolfie was right. He said I'd meet someone who'd be able to help.
The rain has stopped. I can get on with my filming.
And I can get on with my search for a three-toed sloth. Thanks for telling me about the three-toed sloth, Roger.
You're welcome. And as a thank you for your help, you can have this camera. I've got a spare.
Oh, wow. Fantastic. How does it work?
Ah, easy peasy. Just press the button and it records all the action.
Oh, that's brilliant. Thanks, Roger. See you later.
Let's play.
That's it. That's the noise of a three-toed sloth. Oh, it must be around here somewhere. Oh, look. There she is. Isn't she cute? Oh, no. She's up too high to take a good picture. What can we use? Hold on. I know what we can use. Do you? Of course. The remote control helicopter. We can attach this camera to the helicopter and fly it up to the sloth. Oh, but how am I going to press the button to take a photograph if it's flying through the air? Oh, this is going to be tricky. Unless, yes, we can use Roger's camera instead. Okay, turn it on, and it'll record all the action. Here we go. And we're recording. Hello, camera. Off you go, helicopter. And record some great shots of the three-toed sloth. Oh, easy does it. Oh, yes, it's working. Looks like we're getting some great shots of the sloth for Dr. Hans. What's that noise? It doesn't sound like my helicopter. It's too noisy. It sounds like a plane. Oh, no. It's almost sunset, and the plane has come to fetch Dr. Hans at the river. I need to get the helicopter back and get these pictures to Dr. Hans, and quickly.
Let's play.
Oh, no, the sun is setting. But where's the river? How can I find it? Oh, hold on. I remember, do you? That's right. A good way to find streams and rivers is to head downhill, as water naturally flows that way and collects at the bottom. Brilliant. So I just need to head downhill and I'll find the river. I'll go this way then.
Let's play.
Dr. Hans, wait.
Rebecca?
Phew, we made it just in time. Did your walking palm tree eventually walk?
No, I, Dr. Hans Grossenstock, have proved that they don't really walk at all. They just grow towards the sun. My whole life's work is ruined, I tell you, ruined.
Well, I might have something to cheer you up. Look, here's something that did move.
A three-toed sloth and its baby. Magnificent. I may not have been able to prove that the walking palm tree can walk, but perhaps with these pictures, I can continue my research into the baby three-toed sloth. I think I'm going to cry. This is wonderful. You are a fantastic jungle explorer.
Oh, thanks, Dr. Hans. Well, we did it, but we'd never have done it without remembering everything we needed to know. Some people who live in the rainforest leave a trail of sticks to show which way they have gone. The jungle provides all the things you need to make a shelter. And a good way to find streams and rivers is to head downhill, as water naturally flows that way. I think it's time we went home. Bye, Dr. Anne.
Goodbye.